Load your family into the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a tachometer, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and voice-activated navigation. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.